Handy Hudsonite here. If you experience an imbalance in the audio in your Apple AirPods, or maybe your AirPods are not detecting whether they're in your ears or not, and the music isn't turning off when you take it out of your ears, I have a solution for you that will be easy and quick to do right after this. Apple AirPods are one of the most convenient, best quality Bluetooth enabled headphones or earbuds that you can use with your iPhone today, just because of all the seamless features that are with them. Be sure to check out the recent video I did on why I decided to buy earbuds, if you're on the fence on whether you should purchase the earbuds. I'm going to show you one of the reasons why you may not be hearing your audio in complete balance on your AirPods, and it's not generally related to a hardware issue, though that can happen. That's not very common with these. And also, another thing that can happen is that the feature where it detects whether it's in your ear or not stops working, even though you have that feature enabled in your AirPod settings. One of the reasons why is because of what lives in our ears, and that being earwax. Earwax is a natural part of the way our ears operate and function. We all have it, though we all have it to varying amounts and degrees. Some people have less earwax, some have more. I tend to have more, so it's more of an issue for me. And what happens is the earwax will build up on these different inlets on your AirPods that are your audio, that control the detection of whether it's in your ears or not, the microphone. So that builds up, and we have to have a way of cleaning that off to ensure optimal performance of our AirPods. So there are a number of different ways that you can clean your AirPods. And I should say, do not submerge these in water or any other solution that could potentially ruin them. They are not waterproof. But what you can do is you can use a slightly wet Q-tip, cotton ball. Here I have a paper towel, and you just want to slightly moisten it and wipe out these particular inlets in your AirPods so that they can be free of that earwax debris so that they can operate the way they were intended. Now, you could use something like rubbing alcohol with its drying properties. That would be even better than water. Now, let's say you're out and about, you don't have access to a napkin, you don't have access to Q-tips, rubbing alcohol. What can you do? And I should give one caveat: this isn't the most clean way of doing things, but nonetheless, desperate matters require this. So what you can do is you can actually put the AirPod in your mouth over the audio part, over these other inner inlets, suck on it. You can moisten it a little bit with your tongue, and you can feel the air come through. If they're really clogged with earwax, you won't feel any air come through, and then you should be able to get that out. If you have an ability to rinse out your mouth after you do this, that would be best. If not, it's just earwax. It's a natural part of our body. And that's the last resort for how you could clear out your AirPods to alleviate this problem with the imbalance in audio or the in-ear detection, so that you can, when you take them out, they stop, and then that will help enhance your battery life so they don't keep running when they're outside of your ears, which is one of the great features of the AirPods. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And be sure to hit the notification bell so that you get my content as it goes up. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.